In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blank page in Google Docs. Let's start by opening the Google Doc where you're seeing that extra blank page. This is usually a page at the very end of your document that looks empty, but for some reason, it just won't go away when you try to print or export the file. First, click anywhere on that blank page. This tells Google Docs that you want to work on this specific area. Once your cursor is blinking on the blank page, press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard a few times. In many cases, that's all you need. The page disappears because you've removed the hidden paragraph mark or space that was forcing the extra page to appear. If the page doesn't delete, don't worry. Sometimes there are invisible elements like extra line breaks or spacing that keep the page in place. To deal with this, place your cursor at the very end of the text on the previous page, right before the blank page starts. Then, repeatedly press delete. What you're doing here is pulling the content and the page break together, removing any hidden characters in between. If you still see a blank page, check your document's spacing. Highlight the empty area on the blank page by clicking and dragging your mouse across it. Then, go up to the toolbar, click on Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing, and choose options that reduce spacing, such as single spacing and removing any add space after paragraph setting. Too much spacing at the end of a document can push content onto a new page, even if that page looks empty. Another thing to check is for section or page breaks. With your cursor at the end of your main content, go to the Insert menu, then look for Break. If you see a page break or section break near the end of your document, place your cursor just before it and press delete. This will often instantly remove that stubborn blank page. Finally, scroll through your document from top to bottom to confirm that everything looks correct and that no extra pages remain. When it looks good on screen, you can also preview it as a PDF or use Print Preview to double-check that the extra page is gone. And that's it. By removing extra spaces, line breaks, and page or section breaks, you can quickly get rid of any unwanted blank page in Google Docs.